Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to new video. So today we are in the 2024 Mercedes G-Class and this is a limited edition which is called Stronger Than Diamonds. Only 300 units made worldwide. So special thanks to MG Performance Center, Bratislava-Lamac for having us here today with this special G-Wagon. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe and let me know in the comments your opinion about this special limited edition. Alright guys, so let's check the exterior first and then I will show you interior as well, all the details, what make this edition special. So Stronger Than Diamonds is the name of this edition. We have also final edition from the G500, which I already showed on the channel, and there is also one video in different color of the final edition. But I think this one is very special and I would say even more special looking than the final edition. Alright guys, and this is the key fob. Looks more or less normal, but check out here. But in the back it says Mercedes-Benz Stronger Than Diamonds. Check out how amazing is this. So I really like this Stronger Than Diamonds edition, and I think this one is more limited, of course, because we have only 300 units. So check out here, we have the particular number of this one. So this is 104th out of 300. So that is very nice touch. Also, as you can see, V8. This is G500 with the V8 engine. And if you are interested in the name of this paint, then I will tell you. So this is a manufacturer, very special paint. We have seen this for the first time here on the G-Class, and this is the manufacturer Rosewood Grey Magno. So it looks like a rose gold Magno matte paint, but it has sort of like a little bit different tint to it than your typical rose gold. So this one is very nice, like a rose gold-ish, but you can see all kinds of shades here on the sun. It has sort of like a very light, like almost a light yellow, almost like a silver. Here you can see, and here it's darker. So it paint is really reflecting the light absolutely in a magical way. So that's in terms of the paint. New color, Rosewood Grey Magno. Once again, manufacturer Rosewood Grey Magno. We have also night package and night package 2, extended night package. So you can see the indicators are also smoked because of that. And also the Mercedes star is in gloss black as well. So also you can see these inserts are in Magno black, so in matte black, but the star is in gloss black. Also you can see these trim pieces on the front bumper are in Magno, black Magno. And yeah, here is a close-up of this paint. You can see underneath this Magno paint is like a metallic sparkles. Really, I'm in shock. I will show you how this looks in the interior. There is another car in the interior. Looks much more dark, and yeah, that's why I wanted to show you outside, because I asked the guys if we can show it outside, because this really is a special color for sure. So yeah, so that's that. Also here we have the gloss black wheels. These are Pirelli Scorpion Zero tires, all seasons, 275/50 R20. You can see the V8 branding here also in gloss black. And also you can see this stripe here in white. It's not your typical side elements here, so these white stripes are extra. Mirrors are also in Magno black. Check out the sparkles. So not your typical gloss black like you can find on your typical night package. And also the roof is in Magno black. So that's also, I thought it's a classic black, but no, it's a Magno with sparkles. Very, very nice. So another detail, check out here, the door handles, we have diamond. How cool is this? And exposed door hinges in rose gold. And I will show you there is also diamond So, but that is in terms of the interior. So here from the side, let's check it out, how the color reflects of the side of the G-Class. I think this is one of the best editions ever made by Mercedes for sure. Really, I'm in shock with this. So I think this is targeted towards the women, girls, but anyone can buy it, of course, and enjoy it. I think this color is like sort of, maybe even some men can pull it off. So yeah, I really like this color actually. So here is G500, also in gloss black, and you can see this wheel cover is also on the sides in magno black. So not your typical black. You can see the sparkles there as well. Mercedes badge in black as well. Also the trim pieces here. And a little bit smoked tail lamps. So not fully red, I believe. And I think that's it in terms of the exterior. A lot of beautiful details. Check out from the back. Now we can see from the side where sun doesn't shine, from the opposite side, how the color looks. Of course, it's not as vibrant. In the sun it's really magnificent. And it's not like your Barbie pink. It's more like sophisticated rose gold color. So that's what I like about this. It's not like in your face Barbie, like very saturated pink. This is more like a sophisticated pink / rose gold color. Alright guys, so here is a look from the back. Here with the sun once again. So let me know how you like the rear. All the details as I showed you when the car was turning around. G500 in gloss black. And here we can see the magno black on these trim pieces. Gloss black here with the gloss black Mercedes logo, and this wheel cover is of course in magno black as well as the roof. So whole roof is magno black as well. So let me know in the comments how do you like the Stronger Than Diamonds edition. And with the black accent, it really is a stunning one. So this is G500, as you can see, V8, and here we have the 421 horsepower, the G500, G550 in the US. There is also a diesel one, and also for sure the 63 AMG. And this one accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.9 seconds. To 10 kilometers per hour is the top speed. 9G Tronic is the transmission for this car. We have differential locks, so full off-road capabilities. In this edition, of course, this will be like a lifestyle car, I believe, but if you need, you can go into terrain, of course. So you can see here the tire pressures, and also you should use 95 octane here in Europe. So that is a really nice detail. This engine is of course shared in the 63 as well, with more power and more sound, but this is also very good sound, and also the engine responses like a true V8, so really great one. Okay, so now it's time to check out the interior. So first, when we open, check out here these illuminated trims, these door trims, diamond here, like lines going out from the diamond, Mercedes-Benz, and underneath Stronger Than Diamonds. So that is truly stunning. Also what I really like is that we have full leather manufactured interior, similar like in the final edition. Also the headliner is in full leather, Nappa leather, black Nappa leather in this case, but check out the stitching is rose gold. How cool is this? So all stitching in the car, also in the doors, is a rose gold. Also this black wood very nicely complements the interior. So some of you could ask, of course, if the middle parts could be in rose gold. in all kinds of hypothetical situations. But I think this goes well together because it's like luxurious, understated on the inside, but extremely bold on the outside. So check out here the paint once again. Also here we have the roof window, and diamond stitched the interior here as well. Completely wrapped in the leather, everything like in the final edition. And check out here underneath. This is definitely more fluffy than your typical AMG line floor mats. There is no logo, so extremely fluffy. Very, very deep fluffiness. Check it out. Very, very fluffy, so I really like this. Also here we have pedals, aluminium with the rubber dots, and this car is pretty much fully loaded here with the Burmester surround sound system. Even this lower section of the doors, you can see speakers everywhere for the Burmester, and also here you can see a rose gold stitching. So let's hop inside, and when we close the door, typical G-Class sound, and check out here the diamond on the inside of the door pin. So here on the top you can see 0.25 carat in each door, so that means that in the whole car we have 1 carat diamond together. Really premium feeling on the interior. Also you can see here the roof window. You can close it if you want, and the cover is, you need to close it manually like in the G-Class is typical. And also the cover is in leather here on the inside. You can also have it on the ventilation, so you have a small gap there. Check it out, for a very small amount of the air coming on the inside. The sun visors also wrapped in the leather. Also here everything you can see the stitching on the top is in black. Also here, so these grab handles are also in leather, the same as in the Maybach S-Class and GLS. Leather everywhere basically. You can see even here in this middle section here is in leather. So wow, that is truly stunning. So here are the seats with the diamond stitching, and on the outside we have the rose gold stitching. On the inside we have a black diamond stitching. Another big feature is here the grab handle, and check out here, stronger than diamonds, with diamond logo and lines going out of it. So this was launched 2 days ago at Valentine's Day. Truly a spectacular car. Also black wood here in the middle console, analog clock. Here we have the differential locks and the command system. Speakers which are mimicking the indicators there. Check it out, Burmester speakers. You can see the color also here on the hood. So yeah, I find this really special. In the back we have black interior as well. And the star of the show definitely is this headliner, which is completely wrapped in the leather. That is truly spectacular. And here underneath you can also find the black wood. So let's go and check out the boot, if we can find something special there. You have G-Class doors, proper door closing sound. So here we can find, of course, special bag. So this is the Mercedes-Benz Stronger Than Diamonds bag. On the inside here we can find the car cover. So if we unzip this, I'm not going to open this because it will be difficult to put together, but you can see here the indoor car cover. Also you can see the subwoofer here, and everything is in leather here. Check it out. Also you can see here the headliner in the diamond stitching. as well as diamond stitching here in the doors. Wood here in the door handle on the inside, and you can see there the spare wheel. So in the final edition we have the wood on the lower section. Here we have the felt material. So those are the differences. So if I have to pick one, I would pick definitely this over the final edition. I really like how this looks, and also that it is more limited even than the final. You can see the stitching here as well. And also let's check out the back seats. So here we have this illuminated door trim, and also super fluffy. I'm not going to sit here because it's pristine, clean, this car. But yeah, in terms of the back seats, it's similar, of course, as in all other G classes. We have here in the middle the armrest with the cup holders, which are adjustable, and also AC settings here. One thing which is new are also the illuminated USB-C ports, and also 12-volt socket here. Also there is one in the boot. You can also find some storage space here in the doors, and also door pockets quite large here. Burmester speaker here, and also the heated seats. And in the back, check out the CARAT as well. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know how you like this special Stronger Than Diamonds edition in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.